How to enable Group Policy Editor on Windows 11 Home. Sadly, Microsoft has made Group Policy Editor exclusive to the Pro Edition. This results in the error gpedit.msc not found on Windows 11 or 10 Home. So, first download this file from Major Geeks that will help you enable gpedit.msc on Windows 11 Home. When downloaded, extract the add gpedit.msc.zip file by right-clicking on it, then click on Extract All. When prompted, go ahead and also click on Extract after noting down where the files will be extracted. With the extracted folder open, right-click the setup.exe file and then launch it by clicking on Run as Administrator, then click Yes when prompted. Now follow the instructions in this setup, keep clicking on Next and this process will be completed soon. Next, go back to the folder we extracted in the second step, right-click on the gpedit enable.bat file and then click Run as Administrator like before, then click on Yes when prompted. A command window will now open and install various components for enabling Group Policy Editor on Windows 11 Home. Wait until this process is completed. When done, press Enter or any other key as prompted and the windows will be closed. Now press the Windows plus R keyboard shortcut to launch the Run utility. Then type gpedit.msc and click on OK. The local group policy editor utility should now launch. You can now modify various system settings with gpedit.msc enabled even on Windows 11 or 10 Home. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.